SC Academy. So let us start with the question number 1 of chapter 12, Heron's formula of exercise 12.1 of class 9 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 1 says, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So we need to find out the area of the signal board using the Heron's formula. Okay. So we have been given over here a triangle, equilateral triangle is there. So let us draw a figure. Some triangle is there in such form. Okay, it is equilateral triangle, so all the sides are equal and the side is also being given to us as A. So all the sides are equal, A. Okay, and we have been given that it is indicating school ahead. So school ahead is the indicator, over here. Okay, so perimeter is given to us as 180. Perimeter is given to us (180 centimeter). Okay, so we need to find out the area. So the Heron's formula is given by area of triangle according to Heron's formula. Is given by under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle, But here, since the triangle is equilateral, so A, we will be putting the value A in the place of B and C also. A, all we will be getting A. And S is the semi-perimeter. And S is given by A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay, so here all the sides are equal since the triangle is equilateral. So it will be A plus A upon 2. That means it will be equal to 3A by 2. So our semi-perimeter is equal to 3A by 2, and over here A is equal to B is equal to C. All the sides are equal, so that we are equating to be equal to A, because according to the question the side is given to be equal to A. Okay. So semi-perimeter is 3A by 2 and all sides are equal. So we will be substituting these values in our area of the triangle according to the Heron's formula, and we will be solving for our question. Okay. So let us put all the values over here. So my area of triangle will be equal to S. We have found it out. 3A by 2 right now. Okay. Then 3A by 2 minus A. Again 3A by 2 minus A. Again 3A by 2 minus A. Okay. So we'll be taking the LCM individually. So we'll be getting over here 3A by 2. Then 2 will be the LCM, 3A minus 2A, again over here, 3A minus 2A, again over here, 3A minus 2A. Because over here it is 1 and 1 will go into 2 times, then 2 multiplied by A will give me 2A. So 3A minus 2A will be A. So ultimately I am getting over here 3A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2 and A by 2. Okay. So it is in the under root, it is in the square root. So for taking the square root, we need the pairing of 2, okay, because the square root of 4 is 2. So 2 into 2, 1 2 comes out and we get 2. Okay, square root, we need the pairs of 2. So here the pairing is a into it. This is one pair over here. This is another pair over here, and also in the denominator 2 into 2, this 2, and 2 into 2, this 2. This comes out from the under root. 3 cannot come out because it is single, it is not having its pair, okay. In the square root, we need to have pairing of 2, and the cube roots, we need to have pairing of 3, okay. So from here we are getting a into a upon 2 into 2, okay, and under root 3 is inside. So ultimately we are getting over here under root 3 a square by 4. Now we have been given the perimeter of the triangle is equal to 180 centimeter. So the perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So perimeter is 180 centimeter, perimeter is 180. So that means a plus a is equal to 180. So 3a is equal to 180. So I can say easily a is equal to 180 upon 3. So that is equal to 60. That is equal to 60. Okay. So I have got my side equal to 60. We can substitute this 60 over here and we can easily get our area. So area will be equal to root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60. Okay, so this gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 15. Okay, 15 fours are 60. This gets cancelled, and 15 sixes is 90, and 1 0 over here. So it comes out to be 900 root 3 centimeter square, and this is only my area. And we have found it out with the Heron's formula. So the Heron's formula is under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides and s is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Okay, so this is my answer. This is the answer, 900 root 3 centimeter square. So ultimately what we did, we applied the concept of Heron's formula, we applied the concept of perimeter. With the help of perimeter, we found it out the side of the triangle, and when we got the side of the triangle, we substituted it and we got our answer. Okay, so in such manner we need to solve such type of questions. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.